The cullet flow is consistent. We are hitting the target quantity.
Good. Maintain current levels. Keep the temperature steady in the homogenization zone.
The sensors are showing a slight variance, but it's within tolerance.
And vetas. As the molten glass enters the refining zone, powerful heating systems ensure uniformity. The thickness on the right edge is fluctuating slightly.
Adjusting the tension now. We're holding steady at 3.2 millimeters.
The temperature profile looks stable across the width. Good, keep monitoring the center readings.
All parameters within tolerance. Confirmed. The cut quality is excellent.
This edge profile looks good.
Confirmed. The sensors verified the dimensions. Moving it to washing.
From ordinary sand and minerals, the intense heat transforms the mixture into a glowing molten ribbon, which is then cooled and cut into precise architectural panels.
All restraints confirmed. Route is clear.
Roger that. See you at the depot.
Verification complete on trailer 42. Noted. Send him through.
All right, easy now. Bring it up slow. Roger that. Coming up. Watch the left side. Clear on the left. Keep going.
Hold it right there.
A little to the left.
Okay, drop it down easy.